After decades of research, has the secret to sales success finally been revealed? Maximizer, CRM software that can tackle the unique challenges of running a business in the sales industry, is here. Forget the generic solutions. Maximizer is all about helping your business overachieve your revenue goals. My name's Emmanuel Jordan, and in this week's Top 5, our experts have chosen 5 of Maximizer's top features that can help propel your sales to number 1. Starting off the list is Maximizer's dashboard for detailed and up-to-date reports. This tool provides a central hub for key sales metrics, offering a comprehensive overview of essential indicators. Track your progress towards goals, easily compare won and lost opportunities, and swiftly recognize top-performing individuals. Users can also dive deeper into prospects and campaign performance, refining segmentation, and comparing emails opened and conversion rates. Leverage this feature to ensure accurate, detailed, and up-to-date reports for informed decision-making. Next up is Maximizer's Task Management to help you and your business stay organized. A simple and efficient solution for managing your to-do list and ensuring you never miss a follow-up. Create a new follow-up task by seamlessly linking it to an associate lead or address book entry. For a quick overview of tasks, simply navigate to the corresponding lead, address book, case, or opportunity. And by the way, if task organization is something that you struggle with, and yes, I'm talking to you, head over to TechnologyAdvice.com to learn more on how you can take your task management to the max. Enjoy the flexibility of accessing your CRM anytime, anywhere with Maximizer's mobile app for Android and iOS. Take control of leads, opportunities, and customer cases, ensuring pipeline visibility for easy tracking and access to essential contact information. Keep your team seamlessly connected with full remote access to Maximizer, allowing quick searches for client contacts and accounts, and enabling instant emails or calls with just a touch. Gain deeper insights into your data efficiently with Maximizer's automated reporting and interactive templates. Easily construct and save reports in minutes, utilizing search criteria and filters designed for sales, marketing, service, and support. Maximizer streamlines your data management by saving favorite searches, integrating them into dashboards and reports, and exporting data directly into spreadsheets or BI tools. Users can also stay up to date by automating the scheduling of favorite reports and dashboards. Maxing out the list at number 5 is Maximizer's integrations. Optimize your workflow and achieve efficient results through Maximizer's integration ecosystem with some of your favorite applications like QuickBooks, Zapier, and Outlook. The user-friendly ecosystem of pre-built integrations is designed to enhance productivity and simplify the tracking of paperwork. These integrations can also play a pivotal role in becoming a vital part of how your business handles time management. Sadly, 5 features is our max for this video, but if you'd like to learn more about Maximizer, head over to TechnologyAdvice.com. And don't forget that a sign-up link for Maximizer can also be found in the description. Till next time, thanks for watching.